we need, particularly for today's unstable society, unstable information. The life is constantly moving, right? So we need a system can help us settle down, be peace. We need a system can help us through no matter which gate you enter, no matter which element you start, that's always come back to the oneness. Then 5-element framework is the most profound framework we can use. At least it's my experience. For so many years I practiced, I applied. Now we go back to why we need this course. The most important, this course is a processing course. In this processing, we have to understand has levels. The first level is to take information or data, 5 elements, which organs, which bowels, which colors, which tastes, all the chart, that's information. Never wrong. It's called never wrong. It's 100% true in visible reality. If we want to enter invisible world, we have to start in the visible world first. But this information, if you don't know how to use, just information. So you need to apply this information turned to the knowledge. So we say we all going to cook the chicken noodle soup, for example. You need the chicken, you need the noodles, right? You need the celery, calorie, whatever you call it. It's the same ingredients, which is the same informations. Think of what I say. 5-element chart, you just got the information. Now, what kind of chicken noodle soup you can coming out is based on the knowledge, technique. How do you cook, right? I know somebody cook the noodle soup, smell bad, and taste bad. No one want to eat. Someone will look good, smell good, color is good, and delicious. Then why is it same ingredients and someone can cook delicious chicken noodle soup? Someone will cook it that tastes terrible chicken noodle soup. What's happening? Same ingredients. Why? System, knowledge. So that's why in the class, the second step is how to apply this information to the unique technique. Comprehensive technique can be used for the healing. Right? That's information. How do we use it? And then different system. Now they go back to the third step is a system. What kind of system you are going to use? Different system has a different understanding of this framework. System different, thinking different, combination different, then the outcome will be different. So that's why we say 5-element consciousness framework is levels. It's levels of understanding the knowledge with the information. How do they cooperate together? And how do you use this information differently? We are going to learn how to thinking differently.